We're in Bassendean at Black Swan Theatre Company's production facility. Sets, costumes, props are manufactured here. It's our base for Black Swan Theatre Company production. My name's Stephen Matthews. I'm the production operations manager for Black Swan Theatre Company. We would work on around 5 or 6 builds for Black Swan Theatre Company a year and up to 20 outside builds for other theatre companies. We purchased the Tekcel CNC router towards the end of last year. We received a grant from Lotterywest. It's changed things enormously, having that amazing piece of technology here. It's not just the equipment. It was Greg and Patrick and Anton, and everything just reeked of knowledge and experience and quality, and there was never a chance we were going anywhere else. We're currently working on production of hoods for Baking Gecko, designed by the amazing Knox. We went from a job that would have taken 6 weeks for 2 people to 2 weeks for 2 people. So reducing labour by, I would say, up to 80%. It was a very exciting project for us to work on because we had this license to integrate this machine into what we did. It doesn't reduce anyone's workload because we can put so much more into the finish. That's what the CNC provides us. It enables us to move those labour hours to the finish, whereas before we could only have so many weeks or days on the finish because it's expensive. After a lot of the set has been cut out, it then goes out to be put together, and then it's finished to a point where it can go to our scenic artist, Murray, and he puts the finishing touches on it, and then we'll do a final assembly and make sure we've got everything on it that we need for it to work. When it gets to the theatre, you make the set live. It has to work then. It's not just wood and canvas and metal. It's fully integrated into what happens on stage. We were quite gobsmacked actually at what we could achieve, and there's no way we could have done that by hand. It would have literally been at least twice the price. But with this machine, it's given us a whole nother side to what we do.